Enabling Azure SQL performance tuning is essential to optimize the performance of your database and improve overall efficiency. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to understand the importance of performance tuning in Azure SQL. Performance tuning helps identify and resolve issues that may be slowing down your database, such as poorly optimized queries, inadequate indexing, and insufficient resources. To get started, navigate to the Azure portal and select your Azure SQL database. In the left-hand menu, click on Query Performance Insight. This feature provides detailed information about your database queries, including execution time, CPU usage, and memory usage. Next, click on the top Resource-Consuming Queries tab to identify the most resource-intensive queries in your database. This will help you pinpoint areas that require optimization. You can also use the Query Store feature to capture and analyze query execution plans, wait statistics, and runtime statistics. To enable automatic tuning, click on the Automatic Tuning tab and select the options you want to enable, such as indexing and query optimization. Azure SQL will then automatically apply recommendations to improve performance. In addition to automatic tuning, you can also use the Database Advisor feature to receive personalized recommendations for optimizing your database. This feature analyzes your database usage patterns and provides suggestions for improvement. To further optimize performance, consider implementing best practices such as regular maintenance, indexing, and query optimization. Regularly update statistics, rebuild indexes, and defragment files to ensure your database is running efficiently. It is also essential to monitor your database performance regularly, using tools such as Azure Monitor and SQL Server Management Studio. These tools provide real-time insights into database activity, allowing you to quickly identify and resolve issues. In conclusion, enabling Azure SQL performance tuning is a straightforward process that can significantly improve the performance of your database. By following these steps and implementing best practices, you can optimize your database for maximum efficiency and reliability.